Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Facebook app not working issue on your Android. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. There might be several reasons why you are experiencing issues with the Facebook app. The issue might be app related or the server related. No matter what the issue is, here are some troubleshooting methods you could try. The first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection as the app may not work if you are working offline. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also unplug your router and plug it in again. Doing this will restart your router and you might be able to get to the stable internet connection. Once you are connected to a stable internet, you might be able to fix the issue. The next thing to do is to check for the app update. Open up Play Store and search for Facebook by typing it in the search box. If you see an update button, make sure to tap on the update button to download the latest version of the Facebook app. Once you make sure that you are using the latest version, you might be able to fix some of the issues for Facebook app. Now simply go ahead and open up your Facebook application and see if that fixed your issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and tap on restart from the option. Once you are done rebooting your device, you might be able to resolve the issue for your Facebook app. If that still doesn't work, try clearing the app cache. To do so, tap Open Devices Settings and from the Settings menu scroll down and tap Apps. From the list of the apps, search for Facebook and give it a tap. From the App Info page, tap on Storage. Now tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right in order to clear out the cache from your Facebook app. Once you're done clearing the cache, you might be able to fix your issue. But if that still doesn't work, you can try uninstalling your Facebook application from your mobile device and reinstall it back again from your Play Store. Those were some of the easiest troubleshooting methods you could try whenever your Facebook application is not working on Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.